another dashcam time-lapse video. Welcome to the channel. We're going to be driving through Smoky Mountains in North Carolina and Tennessee. This is I-26 and I-40 route through Asheville, North Carolina, and yeah, almost all the way to Knoxville. But enjoy the time-lapse. We have to go through Saluda Mountain first. Well, guys, we just pretty much crossed the Smoky Mountains. I mean, those Appalachian Mountains, Appalachian, whatever you want to call them, I think they stretch out past the whole Tennessee. But I'm not going to record that. That's way too much recording. This is just the main mountains I passed, and as you can see, it's foggy when it's raining. That's why they call them Smoky Mountains. Even when it's not raining, they have clouds up like that. So yeah, this was the Smoky Mountains. We drove through Asheville. There were some grades. It's a very beautiful area, actually, to drive through. And now I'm just on my way towards Knoxville. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2064 turn right. Driving a temp in the 6 Series.